Hi everyone and welcome back. Today is a very important topic. I'm going to show you some exercises to open your hips. Now, we never pay attention to this, but due to sedentary lifestyle and sitting for a long time, our hip muscles tend to get very tight. The hip joint loses its mobility. So today I will be showing you quick exercises to open the hip joint and the muscles. I'm sure you don't know this, but tightness in the hip joint and hip muscles is a major cause of back and knee pain, and these stretches will help release those muscles and open your hips. So let's get started. I will start with a stretch that we rarely do. This position stretches the hip muscles on both your sides. Here the hip rotators are mainly being stretched out. In our day-to-day life, we hardly use these muscles and hence they get tight and weak. This position is called a 90-90 stretch because of the angle of your hip and your knee joint, as you can see. In this position, we begin stretching the hip adductors, which are the inner thigh muscles. This is called the butterfly stretch. First, pull both your feet close together. Then let the knees drop down slowly and use your elbows to put extra pressure and get a good stretch. This is a deep stretch for the glute muscles. For most of us, because of sitting for long duration, this muscle is very weak and tight, so we need to give it a good stretch. To get into this position, place your ankle on the opposite knee. This creates the number 4 position. For extra stretch, move a little closer using your hands. Hip flexor is the muscle at the front. We cannot stretch this in sitting obviously, so come to kneeling position. You can hold on to a chair or a wall for balance. Place one foot ahead as I have shown and shift your body weight forwards to feel the stretch. In this, I have placed my left foot forwards and I'm feeling the stretch on my right side. This may look a little more challenging and complicated, but it is a very good stretch for all the hip muscles on both sides, trust me. You can get into the starting position slowly and work your way towards getting a good stretch. Remember to not hold your breath while stretching. That's a very important point. Hold each and every stretch for at least 20 seconds. I hope you enjoyed watching these exercises. These will help you in your day-to-day life. When you're working out at the gym, when you're going out for a run, you can add these stretches to your routine and I'm sure you'll enjoy them. Do try them at your own time. If you like the video, please share it. Please subscribe to my channel. This won't take a lot of your time, but it will definitely help spread the video more within the YouTube community. So please try to take some time out and do this. Thank you.